Okay, start now. See what we get.
0 feet altitude. 9 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 93% battery.
It looks like we may work this time. Focus. Okay. Last flight, I could not acquire a satellite. All systems were go. Nothing happened when I went to take off. So now, just was able to take off. I'm gonna go. This is gonna zoom around the construction site a little, a couple times. 16-minute flight, so I'm not concerned about that battery loss. And very little wind. But 300 feet above me could be a totally different story.
298 feet altitude. 376 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 88% battery.
That's my plot, my map, my mission. And above me is my GPS location on these computers. Check it, make sure everything's running right. Appears to be, everything looks good. Ah, there's water in that. Oh, that's another one. I can't tell, but it looks like there's water in those ponds now. Cement ponds.
300 feet altitude. 1,585 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 85% battery.
We got a lot of rain last night, so they doing their jobs. Cool. My signal's breaking up a little, but I don't expect to lose anything major. It's just my video signal. The only problem during those times is I cannot steer. So I had already ready to take off. I had to go back and restart everything because I couldn't get my it's just, you never know what's going to happen day to day. But I wouldn't get a GPS position. So
warning, disconnected.
Yeah, it's disconnected. I'm sitting down in the house too. It's just making an orbit around the thing.
300 feet altitude. 2,097 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 80% battery.
You can hear Scooter the mailman going by. Scooter is the neighborhood terrorist. She's hell-bent on destroying her mail truck. She either wants to burn out the brakes or blow the engine, one or the other. Scooter floors it from mailbox to mailbox. That's why I affectionately call her Scooter. It's another Triple H day. Hazy, hot, and humid. What else would you expect here on the Eastern Shore, Merlin?
299 feet altitude. 1,204 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 75% battery.
Good battery, despite. So when you go back nearly every day to these places, it's hard to see any kind of progress. So don't expect anything much. gotta start heading towards civilization a little to get plots of missions out in the retail areas where there's a little more going on, more interesting stuff than just flying around on
300 feet altitude.
houses.
1,314 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 71% battery.
'Cause there ain't much going on around here. Yeah, I'm having let's see what's my picture was getting weak. It came right back. So I've had my share of technical issues in the past 2 days.
300 feet altitude. 2,214 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 67% battery.
They come out of nowhere. Had to calibrate the compass, which anybody familiar knows it requires manhandling the drone, where you lift it up and you spin it on different axes. So while doing that yesterday, apparently it made the camera mad. So I was getting camera errors after I had set the compass, and I did recalibrate it, and it did stop. It seems to be working all right now, but I don't know. One error leads to another chain reaction event. That's why you can't take any chances when you're doing this.
299 feet altitude. Warning, disconnected. 1,754 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 64% battery.
Got a lot of money flying around in the sky, and take some precautions so you don't lose it. I don't know why my GPS isn't coming on. It's not giving me a reading. However, it should be. It's turned on. Yep. You leave everything alone the same way it's been, and still. The ghost in the machine breaks it. I think this is the last part.
299 feet altitude. 1,471 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 59% battery.
Delivery truck. Maybe FedEx? I can't see it. Like I was saying, it's an HHH day, hazy, hot, and humid. Or it's my weather station tells me. That's not too bad, 87 degrees. It was 105 2 days ago. I'll take it. Humidity high, 73% out there. It's about the same in here.
Feet altitude. 1,775 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 55% battery.
Good on battery. Very good. Took off at 90%. My GPS is Working on my phone, but not on the PC interface. Strange. Anyway, that's on. No problems.
299 feet altitude, 1,006 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 50% battery.
Nice picture. Nice scenery. The hood is quiet. As usual, nobody outside. Too hot.
Feet altitude, 815 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 46% battery.
Great flying from in the house.
Warning, disconnected.
Yeah.
Feet altitude, 2,369 feet distance.
I'm flying.
13 miles per hour, 43% battery.
Where are we? Shouldn't be disconnected there.
Warning, disconnected.
It's because it's on the other side of the house. There we go.
299 feet altitude, 2,277 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 43% battery.
Still doing good on the battery. I got 14 minutes of flight in there. So our numbers are good. Everything is matched up to the point of nothing to be concerned about yet. And we're still zooming around the construction site again. Having difficulty steering the camera because of the tight connection, but it's alright. It's the school. Getting close to the end here.
299 feet altitude, 1,279 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 31% battery.
This might be the end of it. I'm just going to bring it down when he gets here. I wish the range was better on these things. I'm going to take another drone, wrap it in foil, send it straight up so it can act as an antenna. Reflect my signal off the one wrapped in foil.
13 miles per hour. 29% battery.
I know it will work. Make a little cone around the, well, actually make it square. Let it hang there. Below it, signal bounces off the foil box made of cardboard. Your antenna. And you get a full signal the entire flight.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
That's a good thing because we're coming back now. A 1,000 feet away. Moving pretty quick. Moving at a good clip.
299 feet altitude. 824 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 23% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
It's not bad considering I lost 10%.
I see there's a poopy over there.
Yeah, there's a poopy over there and you can make me coffee. Got a person interfering with FAA flight control.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
I'm gonna put this poopy in your coffee.
Okay. You do that.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Where are we?
(299 feet altitude. 629 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 19% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 18%. Mission ended.
Where is it? Decided to bring itself home.
Warning, aircraft battery at 16%.
I can see him. Go, go, go. There's a hawk right there too.
300 feet altitude. 105 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 14% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 13%.
Alright. Oh, my pants are falling down. See how well we lined up.
Warning, aircraft battery at 11%.
Perfect.
3 feet altitude. 16 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 9% battery.
Very nice. Came right to the limit. That's because, like I said, I lost 10% battery farting around sitting on the ground.
Aircraft battery at 9%.
Okay, you can shut up now. Okay. Safe and sound on the ground. D-Dub is out.